Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which state is the top wheat producer in India? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first Indian Chief of Naval Staff? Right answer is option B, Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. The Padma Vibhushan is regarded as which level of Indian civilian honor? Right answer is option C, second. Which village was declared as India's first border solar village? Right answer is option A, Masali village. In which country were 150 million year old fossils of Jurassic birds recently discovered? Correct answer is option C, China. In which part of India is the Aravalli Range located? Correct answer is option B, Western India. Who was the first Indian author to receive the Anderson Award? Right answer is option A, Ruskin Bond. The Bal Sahitya Puraskar, presented by the Sahitya Academy, recognizes contributions in which area? Right answer is option A, children's literature. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Where was the world's first carbon dioxide to methanol conversion plant recently inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. Which is the smallest Indian state by area? Right answer is option B, Goa. Who was the first education minister of independent India? Right answer is option D, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The Veer Chakra is the third highest Indian military honor awarded for what kind of bravery? Right answer is option A, wartime gallantry. India's first Tiger Biosphere Reserve has been created in which state? Right answer is option A, Uttarakhand. The country that recently became the first to lose all its glaciers as per International Cryosphere Climate Initiative is? Correct answer is option B, Venezuela. Ayodhya city lies on the bank of which river? Correct answer is option B, Sarayu River. Who was India's first man to climb Mount Everest twice? Correct answer is option C, Navang Gombu. The Dronacharya Award is awarded to individuals for excellence in which specific role? Right answer is option B, sports coaching. Which state was home to India's first white tiger breeding center approved recently? Right answer is option B, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Where was India's first National Dolphin Research Center inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Patna, Bihar. On which river is the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam constructed? Right answer is option A, Krishna River. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to resign from office? Right answer is option C, Morarji Desai. The Aga Khan Award is a globally prestigious prize in which discipline? Correct answer is option C, architecture. Which initiative was launched by the Indian government to raise awareness on water and soil conservation? Right answer is option C, Watershed Yatra. Which Indian beach saw mass nesting of olive ridley turtles in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rushikalya Beach, Odisha. Which state has the largest forest covered in terms of area? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who was the first person to make the printing press popular in India? Right answer is option A, James Augustus Hickey. The Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award is given for excellence in which field? Right answer is option B, Public Administration. What is the name of the largest iceberg trapped near South Georgia Island? Right answer is option C, A23A. Which Indian wildlife biologist received the Whitley Gold Award in 2024? Right answer is option B, Purnima Devi Burman. What is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Right answer is option A, Port Blair. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Right answer is option A, Dadabhai Nauroji. The Kabir Samman, given by the Madhya Pradesh government, recognizes achievement in which field? Right answer is option B, literature. The Gupteshwar Forest, declared a biodiversity heritage site in 2024, is located in which state? Correct answer is option A, Odisha. Which Indian state recorded the highest dolphin count in the Ganga River's first survey? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which river is referred to as the sorrow of Bihar? Correct answer is option C, Kosi River. Who was India's first election commissioner? Right answer is option C, Sukumar Sen. The Maharaja Ranjit Singh Award is associated with honoring achievements in which field? Correct answer is option B, sports. Ketchiopalri wetland, recently designated as a Ramsar site, is located in which Indian state? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. On which date is World Sparrow Day observed in 2025? Correct answer is option C, March 20th. Which Indian state is the leading producer of uranium? Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Who was the first Indian to win an international billiards championship? Right answer is option B, Wilson Jones. The Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela Prize honors individuals for contributions in which domain? Right answer is option B, social service. When is National Bird Day celebrated in India? Right answer is option A, January 5th. Where was the first zoo based biobank in India established? Correct answer is option A, Darjeeling Zoological Park, West Bengal. In which state is the Thar Desert primarily located? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Who was the first Indian space tourist? Right answer is option B, Gopi Thotakura. The Ramanujan Award is globally recognized in which academic field? Right answer is option B, mathematics. Who currently chairs the National Board for Wildlife in India? Right answer is option C, Prime Minister of India. Guneri village, declared the first biodiversity heritage site, is in which state? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.